Alright guys, so this is the second video about parallel and perpendicular lines, and I want to look at number 4. It says write the equation in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through the given point and is parallel to the graph of the given equation. Now, you should remember the parallel lines have equal slopes. Now they're giving us a line that is not our line, but a line that's parallel to it. So if we can find that slope, we can use the point they give us, and we can plug it into the equations we've been using to find out what our actual equation is. So step 1 on this one, you're going to need to solve for y. So I'm going to take the 5x and I'm going to subtract it from both sides. That cancels out my x's, leaves me negative 2y equals negative 5x plus 8. After that, I've got to get rid of my negative 2 attached to the y. I'm going to do that with division. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. When I do that, the negative 2's cancel. I get y equals. A negative divided by negative is a positive, so 5 halves x. 8 divided by negative 2 is minus 4. Now the whole reason I did that is because I needed this slope. The slope of this line is the slope of the line we want because they're parallel. So I'm going to write over here, our m is 5 halves. So now we had a equation we've been using, the point slope equation, which is y minus y1 equals your slope times x minus x1. Well, we have a slope now, so we can fill in m. And if we look back over here, we have a point that we can label x1, y1. All we've got to do is plug those things in, and we've got our equation. So let's see, I'm going to start with y minus. Our y1 is 9, so y minus 9 equals the slope, 5 halves, times x minus our x1, which was 2. Now that you have that filled in, there's two things we have to do. First, we need to distribute our slope over those parentheses. So I have y minus 9 equals 5 halves x, 5 halves times x, and 5 halves times 2. You can either use your calculator, you can do it longhand, should give you minus 5. Now, y is still not solved for, so the last thing I have to do is get rid of that negative 9, so I'm going to add it to both sides. That cancels those out there, leaves me y equals 5 halves x. Negative 5 plus 9 will give me plus 4. So that's kind of a tough one, guys. It's a little bit long, but take it in pieces. You can solve for y. We've done that a bunch. When you start plugging things into our slope or our point slope form, we've done that for days. So just take it slow, be careful. That's the end of that video. I'll do some more on a third video.